Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and today is a quick tip. I love doing these quick tips. They're fast, they're easy, and you just never know when it's going to come in handy. Stay tuned. Today we are going to learn the invisible decrease. This is very handy for when you are making amigurumi and you don't want your decreases to be very visible or your stuffing to leak out. So I just have a basic little circle here, and let's say I want to decrease. So I take out my stitch marker, first of all. And I'm kind of zoomed in today so you can see what I'm doing. So let's say my first stitch is just a regular stitch. Okay, so then I mark that one. To do a normal single crochet 2 together, you would just put your hook through, grab the yarn, pull it through, put your hook through the next one, pull your yarn and grab, and you'd have 3 loops on your hook, and then you just wrap and go through all 3. That is a single crochet 2 together. And it's fine. It's just not as clean looking as an invisible decrease. So, take that out. An invisible decrease is when you go through the first 2 front loops to decrease. So, take your hook, go through the first front loop, don't wrap anything, and then go through the next front loop. You still have 3 loops on your hook, but they're much tighter. Then you wrap and pull through 2, and then pull through 2 again. Now if I went in the next stitch, just normally, you can see that it's kind of tight right there. Don't worry, I'm going to show you again. Okay. Take your piece, stick the head of your hook through the first front loop, through the next front loop. Whoop, make sure you get all of the loop. Wrap, pull through those 2 loops, pull through the next 2 loops. Make sure your hook doesn't get caught. There we go. And then say the next one is a normal stitch. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked that tip, let me know down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video or tip. Maybe consider subscribing and be part of the Yarn Zebra family. We have fun over here. Have a great day. Remember, life happens, yarn helps. And Spoonies, you can stitch it up too. Goodbye.